the industries have got different types of maturity as far as the automation systems and manufacturing systems are concerned. Considering this variation in the complexity, MES systems and ERP systems are very difficult to connect to this system. There are high-end systems in which it's easier for to connect, but for different system it is very difficult to connect. The solution what we are offering is called SCH Industry Mapper. In order to do that, we need to standardize the communication protocol. So, and second is ability to map the different maturity level of the systems using this SCH mapper to the standard. The standard communication protocol can speak to, communicate to different MES systems and the ERP system. So here, point number 3, here we highlight the different maturity of the industry for the different type of an industry. So we are presenting our solution for different types of industries, starting with the garment industry, and how the standards are used for communication protocol, and how it is flexibility to connect with the different ERP or an MES system. Out here you can see on the left hand side, so we are picking up the different type of an industrial automation systems. It can vary all the way from fully automated SCADA systems to the different categories of PLCs and the NO system.